Block on Offerup. In this video, we are going to learn how to block someone on Offerup. So let's get started. First, open the app on your device. Then log into your account. If you are not already logged in, sign into your Offerup account. Then find the messages or inbox option or a similar section where you can see your conversations with other users. Then open the conversation, locate the conversation with the user you want to block and open it. Number 5. Find the block option within the conversation, look for options or settings. Offerup typically provides a block or report option. Select block or report. Tap on the block or report option to prevent further communication with that user. Confirm the block. Confirm that you want to block the user. This may involve confirming your decision or providing a reason for blocking. Verify the block. Check to ensure that the user has been successfully blocked. You can usually confirm this by looking for a confirmation message or checking the user status in your account settings. That's how you can block someone on Offerup.